Adding moderator to your Facebook page is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will show you how to do it properly. So first thing first, open up your Facebook page profile. So once you're on the Facebook page profile, here you will see on the left hand side you will see the setting option. Just go and click on setting tab. In the setting, go to the page setup. So once you're in the page setup, here you will see an option page access. Just tap on it. Once you're in the page access, you can add people to your page access by clicking on the add new button, and simply you can select them or add them by their email address. So the other option is, if you have already added somebody, what you can do is to give them the access and roles to them. For example, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and add a community manager in it. So for example, here what I have to do is to add a community manager. So I'm just gonna go and select one person to add into a community manager. For example, right here, I'm gonna go and click on the invite. So that way I can add a moderator to my page. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.